Hi all, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how I made this instant tamarind rice using leftover rice. I hope you will all like this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. Heat 2 tablespoons oil. Once hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 green chili and 3 red chilies. Fry till the red chilies and garlic change their color. Now add few curry leaves, 2 chopped onions. Saute the onions till they turn soft. Add half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon each turmeric powder and red chili powder. Here I have taken 3 teaspoon tamarind paste and diluted with 3/4 cup water. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoon coriander leaves and 1 cup water. Allow this tamarind water to get a good boil. Once it begins to boil, add 5 cups leftover rice. You can also add freshly cooked rice, tastes equally good. Now give the rice a good mix. To make the rice hot, cover the pan and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the rice is hot, turn off the heat and mix well. Tamarind rice is ready to be served. I love to garnish this rice with fried groundnuts. Serve this hot with peanut chutney. This is my recipe of preparing instant tamarind rice using leftover rice. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another quick and delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.